Students, this lesson concerns separation of mixture. In separation of mixture, we start by separating heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is when the components of the mixture cannot be separated easily. It means that you cannot distinguish the component of the mixture. But heterogeneous, for heterogeneous you can distinguish easily the component of the mixture. But homogeneous it is not easy to distinguish the component or the constituent of the mixture by naked eyes. For this reason, for heterogeneous, we can have the example of decantation. We can take some example. Decantation. In decantation is the way of separating, is to separate, separating immiscible liquids. When we say immiscible liquid, are liquid which can be separated, because they are not mixed. When you are mixing them, it means that one is forming the layer. For example, separating water and oil. Another method, we can give the example filtration. I give two examples for heterogeneous. Filtration is when there is a precipitate. Is at the bottom of the flask. At that moment, you can filtrate by use what we call filter funnel, and with the filter funnel, above you will have what we call the residue, and below you will have the filtrate. This is the method to separate the heterogeneous. But when you want to separate homogeneous, for homogeneous mixture, the separation we can find, for example, distillation. We can have also evaporation. For distillation, you separate the liquid with different boiling point. Where we can find simple distillation and fractional distillation. What we call simple distillation is used when you want to separate the component of a mixture. When the liquid have different boiling point. For evaporation, you have a solution, but when you heat the solution, step slowly, the solvent is removed, the liquid is removed, and the solid will stay. We can have example if you have saline solution. means the salt and water. By evaporating, you can find in evaporating, for evaporation, the salt can stay, and you can have the water vapor. And there are so many, but those methods, separation of mixture, the methods used here are important methods, but there are others which can be found in other explanation. Thank you very much for following this lesson.